Hi, we're looking at Centrify HyperScalable paths. And this is a lab in which we're learning how to upgrade. The steps that we did before is that we ran the new deployment command from the management server. And what it does, it creates basically a package that gets distributed to all the nodes. Let's take a look at what it did. So it shows me here in the output of the command. It shows me where they put the file. So the file was put under the root of the management server, on their installations, on their deployments, and notice that all my deployments are listed here. So the one that I'm looking for is this one called 24 because it's 20.4, and I want to distribute this zip file. One thing that I want to do is I want to copy the path. So I shift right clicked and I have this copy as path. And I have a piece of PowerShell that basically reads a list of machines and then iterates and copies the files over to the predetermined share. So this is the file that I need to copy over. So when we look at this part here of the script, it's just a txt file that contains this list of machines, right? Everything but my database and my Redis. Then the source folder, the source file is the file that was just created by the new deployment tool. The destination is the C drive in tools, and this is the command that copies over everything. So I'm going to just go over here and press run. So this should start the copy. The file, if you're curious of what the file has, it's just a list of systems. So it starts with web 1, web 2. So if I look at web 1, notice that I have already this file called 24. So the next step would be to actually extract the file. This can be done obviously in a single shot with PowerShell, but because this is kind of like a learning lab, I'm actually showing you how to do it manually as well. So the next steps would be for me to expand everything here. But finally, when we look at my nodes here real quickly, so let's do a node list so we can see all the nodes that exist in here. So this conversation is super important. At this point, all my systems are in 20.3, right? But I don't have brand new systems to deploy. This was designed with DevOps in mind, meaning that you stand up new systems, brand new Windows systems, do the new deployment, and then set it active, and then throw away the old ones. But this is a lab, and I'm reusing things. So there's a video that shows you how to reset things. What I'm going to do is I'm going to upgrade all my number 2 nodes. So what's going to happen in the next video is that you're going to see that I'm going to clean up all the number 2 roles that I have. So my web 2, my background worker 2, and my relay 2, they're all going to be out of this this node list because I'm cleaning them to upgrade them. So in the next video, we're going to start upgrading each and every node.